folks, welcome back. My name's Dean and we're going to get into the verse and the chorus to this song. It starts on a B chord down here on the 2nd fret. You're using the A shape and you're sliding it up and you're barring that 2nd fret, alright? So 2 down strums and then you're just picking the fat E string on the 2nd fret and hammering down on it. And then the A string, B, repeat that 4 times. Straight to the D chord as we get into the chorus. Well, it's alright, Jumpin Jack Flash. Well, it's D, A, E, B, repeat D, A, E, to the B. That's all there is to it, and this song just repeats all of that over and over again. If you want to learn the intro, then click up here, but that's how the song goes. Now that song by Crowded House is included in this epic playlist here, the top 10 Campfire guitar songs of all time as decided by me. You want to hear some great songs, then click on this link right now.